So this is the Wera drill bit sets for metal, wood, and the Countersink set. Let's take a look. Let's start with the metal bits. Okay. So it comes with a sticker, comes in a soft case, does not have the Velcro on the back. It's just a sewn in belt loop. So it comes with, in addition to the drill bits, you get an adapter, you get Torx 40, 30, 25, 20, 15, and 10. You get a number 3 Phillips, you get 3 number 2s and 2 number 1s. Okay, and the sizes of the drill bits are 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 4.2 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and 8 millimeter. So the set has these leather pockets for the drill bits. These other bits are in elastic pockets. And then that all folds up like this. And these bits are all the C6 style ends. So these don't have the typical power tool detent. They have these C6 style detents. So these C6 style bits don't lock in this Milwaukee driver. They don't lock into drills with these chucks. They do lock into this bit holder, or you have to put this in a chuck. Okay, this drill bit drills a hole. That's awesome. Okay, these are made in the Czech Republic. This is the wood bit set. Comes with a sticker. It's the same belt loop, no Velcro. So this set is also made in the Czech Republic. And with the wood set, you get Posidrive instead of Phillips. So you get a Posidrive 3, you get 3 Posidrive 2s and 2 Posidrive 1s. And then you get the Torx 40, 30, 25, 20, 15, and 10. And you get, of course, you get this bit chuck, because these have the C6 end on them. Let's try that again. And that's the back of the hole there. Okay, what about plastic? This is plexiglass. Huh, not bad. Okay, that did a really nice job. Yeah, that's more what I expected. Oh, actually, so that was actually pretty good on plastic. It's hard to get a nice clean hole on plastic. You gotta have like a low rake angle or a 0 rake to not really bust out on plastic. So the sizes of these bits, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Let's take a look at the countersinks. This is the set I'm actually more curious about. So this case opens up, and then we've got sizes 6.3, 8.3, 10.4, 12.4, 6.5, and 20.5. So are the angles different? Let's look at the largest one. So 89.75, so I'm thinking this is a 90-degree angle, okay? So this is a 90-degree angle, so that means that both these sides are at 45 degrees. They all seem to have the same angle. So these are all angled at 45 degrees. Again, we have the C6 style bits, adapter, and we have a handle. Wera sells the Countersink bits individually in a 1-flute form and a 3-flute form. Each Countersink bit is laser etched with the size, the Wera brand name, and the same part number 846. These Countersink bits are made in China, whereas the handle and the bit adapter are made in the Czech Republic. The plastic case gives no indication of where it was manufactured. There's nothing printed or written on the sides or the bottom. Okay, so here's the handle, the 816R. So this handle that comes with the Countersink set is smaller than the Craftform Compact. So this is the Craftform Compact. This is their kind of their normal size handle. So you can see the difference in the handles there. This 8.3 millimeter one works really good for countersinking screws. Okay, so that's the one. I used the drill on that hole. These 3-flute countersinks are really nice. So much nicer than those single cut ones. Try to clean up this plastic. I need to put a little pressure on that with the plastic. I'm not sure why. Okay. Suppose it's because there's no back cut. What if I go to the largest one? This is the 20 and a half. Oh yeah, that works a lot better. That does a nice job of cleaning that up. Let's just do this by hand. Well, the handle is nice for doing kind of a light touch on stuff. Works really well for that. It does an awesome job in a drill. That is a look at Wera's metal bits, wood bits, and Countersink set. Affiliate links will be in the description below, and thank you for watching.